Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of a new tablet from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. So this is the latest tablet announced by Samsung in India, and this comes in multiple variants. It has a 10.5 inches full HD plus resolution display. It comes in both Wi-Fi as well as and you also get a 4G variant wherein you can insert the SIM card. So there are 4 variants, 3GB RAM and 4GB RAM, and even 32 and 64GB storage being offered on both the Wi-Fi as well as the LTE variant. And this is a lot of improvements over the previous tab announced by Samsung in 2020. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, and we'll be doing a quick unboxing. Then we'll show you the box contents. We'll talk about the tablet, what all experience it offers, and our first impressions of this tablet. So the base variant pricing starts at 17,999. That's a 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant which has Wi-Fi, and then 4GB and 64GB pricing starts at 19,999. If you want the LTE variant, the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant retails for 21,999, and then you get the 4GB RAM and 64GB LTE version retailing for 23,999. So there are 4 variants available based on whether you want Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi plus LTE. So that's the pricing. So let's get started with the unboxing, and we'll talk about the tablet after unboxing. So before getting into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 box packaging. So we're going to start the unboxing right away, and this one has the silver color inside, and we got the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant, the 4G LTE and Wi-Fi variant. So let's open the box packaging and see what all comes inside the box. Then we'll talk about the tablet, its features. So opening up the box, you can see the Samsung tablet on the top. So let's see what else comes inside the box. You get the Samsung quick manual, then SIM ejector pin. You get the travel adapter. This is the 15-watt travel adapter, and also the USB Type-C charging and data syncing cable. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the tablet. So that's the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. You can see that the design looks pretty good. The dual finishing here. You can see the Samsung branding here. Then this is the metallic back panel. You get the 8-megapixel rear camera. It's a kind of slim design. On one side you can see here 3.5mm audio jack, the speakers, the USB Type-C port. Here also you get dual speakers. So it's quad speakers altogether, 2 at either side. Then on the sides you get the power and volume keys and the microphone, and at the bottom you can see that the SIM tray. So you can see that this supports the SIM card slot, and you can actually expand the storage as well. So now we have booted the tablet, and you can see the 10.5 inches full HD resolution display. It's a 1920 by 1200 resolution display. It looks pretty good. It's a good display in terms of touch response. It's supported by Corning Gorilla Glass as well. Now the bezels have been kept to minimal, 80% screen to body ratio. So it looks pretty good. The touch response of the display looks pretty good. It's vibrant, colorful, and you also get good viewing angles as well, and overall quality of the display looks definitely good. So that's the display aspect. Even the touch response feels very smooth overall. So that's a display aspect. Now talking about the software experience. So this is a tablet which is intended for multiple purposes, one of them being entertainment machine. Then you can also use this for kids and online classes, meetings, etc. So a lot of purposes it serves, and the software experience is definitely good. You can see that Samsung has added a lot of features and additional apps to the device. So this is the Samsung settings, and you can see that about tablet. You can see a Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, and the one we have is a 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and you can see that additional options are there. You can see Android Auto, Quick Share, Side Key option, then motions and gestures, screen recorder is there. Lot of additional options like game launcher, panic mode. You can also use it for gaming as well, and generally you get all the Samsung application on the one UI that is available here as well. You get the face unlock as well. Display has the eye comfort mode, and you also get adaptive brightness options as well. Dark mode is included, so software is definitely good. And some of the apps which are included in this are Samsung's own UI. One of them is the Samsung TV Plus application. What it does, it provides you access to more than 160 plus channels. You can actually watch live TV, you can watch movies, then you can also watch channels live telecast. So this is pretty good option. You can actually watch these options live using this My TV app, the Samsung TV app. So it comes support with almost 160 plus channels. Now, being a tablet, this is useful for kids as well. So for that, Samsung has the Samsung Kids application. So you can download additional apps for kids. You can see here these are specifically made for kids, and you can also set a pin so that whenever you have to exit, you have to enter the pin. So kids mode is something which is really good, and this can also be used as a multimedia tablet because it has quad speakers. The speaker output is something which is really impressive. The sound output, there is also Dolby Atmos support. You can actually toggle the Dolby Atmos from here. So you can see here additional options like power saving mode is there, quick share, smart view, eye comfort mode, dark mode is there, screen recorder is there. So if you want to record a screen while classes are running, you can actually do that with the screen recorder application. Then Dolby Atmos support is also included. So it's a well equipped device in terms of features being offered, and there is also additional options included like the Samsung's Knox security, which is one of the really good secure applications for smartphones and tablets. So this is also included in this device, and as an entertainment device, you can actually watch movies. 10.5 inches beautiful display. Along with that, you get quad speakers, which makes it one of the really good tablets for watching movies as well. Now, in terms of performance, you get the Unisoc T618 octa-core processor, which is coupled with either 3GB RAM or 4GB RAM. The performance is pretty smooth, and literally no lags or issues, and it's a very smooth experience overall. And it serves the purpose of a tablet as an entertainment device, as a medium for kids to learn and attend online classes. And also while traveling, you can do a lot of work. So there are lots of predefined applications also included. There is also game launcher. Then you can also use this to watch movies because of the quad speaker setup. Now it's also lightweight. That's one of the good things because this is just 508 grams, so extremely lightweight and thin as well. So using this tablet is also pretty good. Now this also comes with a 5 megapixel front facing camera. So this is the camera area, and you also get an 8 megapixel rear camera. Now if you look at the camera option, so we'll just take the camera UI as well. So this is the camera UI. You get a portrait mode, video recording, 1080p resolution video recording is also included, and you get pretty decent options as well. So it's a pretty good camera setup for tablets as well. Now you also get the Samsung's Knox security, as I said before, so that's one good option included in the tablet. Now the tablet also comes with a 7040 mAh capacity battery. That's a pretty good large capacity battery, and you also get 15 watt fast charging, and the battery life is definitely good on this device. So it's a large capacity battery as well. Unlike the competition, the battery capacity is also pretty good. So it's one of the good things about this tablet, that it supports a large battery. So overall, if you look at the pricing and the specification and what is being offered, this is a good tablet. It is available in 4G as well. So we have the 4G version, and if you don't want 4G, you can get it for 17,999, the Wi-Fi version with the same 10.5 inches display. Now, as I said before, if you want more storage, you can expand the storage using the micro SD card. It supports up to 1 TB in terms of SD card support. So overall, if you're looking for a good tablet in the sub 20k price segment, the Samsung Galaxy Tab 8 makes really good sense with good performance all around, additional software experience, and a good display being offered. Then you also get 4G in case you want to use the tablet while traveling, so that option is also included with this. So it comes in different colors. So we have the silver variant with us. So you can see here this is the silver variant, and this is available in different variants. We get the 3GB RAM as well as 4GB RAM with 32 and 64GB storage. That's the Wi-Fi variant, 17,999 and 19,999. Now if you want the 4G variant, you get the same configuration, 3GB RAM for 21,999 and the 4GB RAM for 23,999. So if you're looking for a good tablet which doesn't cost a lot and it does offer a lot of functionality, especially in terms of multitasking, good software experience, good entertainment with quad speakers and a good display along with good battery life, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is one of the really good tablets out there in this price segment. So that is our first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll share the links in the description of this video if you plan to buy this tablet. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.